Hello friends, in today's lecture we are going to study the effect of substituent on the acidity of the phenols. As we have studied in my last lecture why the phenols are acidic in nature, now we are studying by the effect of substituent on the acidity of the phenols. The substituent present on the aromatic ring affects the acidity of the phenol. So substituent can be electron withdrawing or electron donating group. So substituent can be electron withdrawing or it can be electron donating. The example of electron withdrawing groups are like NO2, cyano, CHO, COOH, any halogen like chlorine, bromine. All these are the electron withdrawing group. Electron withdrawing group means electron withdrawing substituent means the substituent which withdraw the electron towards it. While the examples of electron donating substituents are like alkyl group like CH3, like OCH3. All these are the electron donating substituent. Electron donating substituent means substituent which donates the electron towards the ring. So electron withdrawing substituent are acid strengthening. Acid strengthening means they increases the acidity of the phenols. Example of any electron withdrawing group substituent like nitrophenol. Nitro group at para position. Since nitro group is an electron withdrawing group, it withdraw the electron from the ring. Because of the phenoxide ion, negative charge will delocalize at ortho and para position, but due to the presence of electron withdrawing group at para position, it stabilizes the negative charge on the ring, thus increase the acidity of the phenoxide ion. So now let's see the various resonating structure of this. If it is a phenoxide ion with para position, nitro group at para position, the oxygen, negative charge on the oxygen participate in the resonance. Now the negative charge will come here. Now this negative charge electron now this negative charge electron can be delocalized with the oxygen, can share electron with this oxygen. So these are the various resonating structure of the para-nitrophenol. So as you can see, the negative charge is fully delocalized with the nitro group also. So the presence of electron withdrawing group helps to maintain the stability, to maintain the acidity of the phenols. That's why electron withdrawing group increase the acidity of the phenols. But if we see the example of electron donating substituent, for example, it is a paramethoxy phenol. Because of the presence of electron donating group, as you have seen, the phenoxide ion increase the electron density at ortho and para position, but due to the presence of substituent at para position, which is an electron donating group, it further increases the electron density at ortho and para position. So it destabilizes the ring. That's why it decreases the acidity of the phenols. So the electron donating groups are acid weakening. They decreases the acidity. Why they decreases the acidity? Because they destabilizes the delocalization. Because they destabilizes the delocalization of the negative charge. So we can see now the electron withdrawing substituent increases the acidity, while the electron donating substituent decreases the acidity. Also the position of substituent, whether it is at ortho or para position or at meta position, affects the acidity of the phenols. Example, it is trinitrophenol, it is dinitrophenol, both the nitro group at the ortho and polar position, while it is a nitrophenol where the nitro group is at the meta position. So it is less acidic in all these structure because nitro group it has meta position, because the phenoxide ion increases the negative charge at ortho and para position. So the presence of substituent at ortho and para position stabilizes the ring. While if the substituent is present, electron withdrawing substituent present at meta position does not increases the acidity of the phenols, because the phenoxide ion increases the negative charge only at ortho and para position, not at the meta position. That's why the electron withdrawing substituent at meta position does not increase the acidity of the phenols. So overall, if we see the acidic strength order, it is paranitrophenol is more acidic. Paranitrophenol is more acidic than phenol, and phenol is more acidic than paramethylphenol, because in case of paranitrophenol, nitro group is an electron withdrawing group which increases the acidity of the phenols, so it is more acidic than phenol. And paramethylphenol is less acidic than phenol because the methyl group is an electron donating group which decreases the acidity of the phenols. So this is all about the effect of substituent on the acidity of the phenols. Thank you so much.